Nyamisho. Asisolo wathi sisolwa into sesayaqoqwa. Ipoverty wethusayo yaqoqwa eCalvary. Isikhulo esisithi umzimba wakho saqoqwa xa iklasi lukhona. We are fighting from a victorious position. Uthatha unika idume phezu kwenyoka nonoma ngithwale nawo onke amadoda ani zonke izinto zongena phansi kwenyawo. Owakumsebenzi uhambe usike phansi kwenyawo. Phansi kwenyawo disappointment. Phansi kwenyawo rejection. Phansi kwenyawo failure. Ngoba awuzuyilwa yaqoqwa by your king. And wena uthunyiwe by the King of Kings. And you yourself are a king.